This is our clarity dashboard, and here we can see our basic details. We can add our product, our website by using it. This is a clarity tool. We can connect our clarity account with any website, and we can connect our Google Analytics with clarity. And if we want to add any team member, if we have multiple team members, then we can add it from here. We can connect clarity by using its code, and also we can connect it by using any third-party platform. You can see here we can connect it by using Google Analytics integration. Masking. This is the option, and if we want to hide customer sensitive information, like if we fill this form and we can if we want to hide his email, password, phone number, so we can click on this. And if we want to mark any R text, then we can use this option. And we want to show anything, we want to record anything, any detail, so we can use this option. No text is marked. And if we want to block any IP address, then we can do it by this option. And you can see here are our smart events, means most used CTA, contact us, record, request code, and submit form. And we can identify our most popular CTA button by using this tab. Here we can also connect our Google Analytics and add our website by using this tab. Integration, we can see here are multiple platforms. We can connect it by using Clarity and Shopify also. So get started. Here is code. We need to copy this code and paste it in our website. Now we will see our recording tab, because dashboard tab and heat maps are not available right now. If we want to see this, so we need to wait some time. Now we can see our recording. One live user is active on our website, and we want to see our recording. Here are our today recordings of our website. We can tap on first, and here you can see recording. This black marks represent clicks. You can see recording of website. And here we can identify user clicks and following behavior. Here are filter. We can use any filter from here, and if we want to save any recording, then we can save it by using this option. And I have also saved a recording. You can see here. And if we want to delete it, then we can write it. Now, if you want to share any recording, then you can use this option and copy this link or share the email. And if you want to see more information, then click on this tab. And here you can see device, clicks, page, and visit page and exit page. Location, user ID, date, and time. You can identify everything from here. And if you want to see more details, then you can click on this. Here you can see our clicks of the website. Okay, you can see our recordings are here, and if you want to see more filters, then you can identify by using this tab. Click on the filters, and you can see here are all the filters that you can apply on your recording. If you don't want to see our recording and you want to see any specific location, any specific device, so you can use this filters. Like you can see here are time frame, device filters, location filters, browser filters, and also inside you can see rage clicks, dead clicks, excessive clicks, and quick back. And if we want to see any page, and like if you have a e-commerce website and you want to see only shop page uh, customer behavior, then you can identify by using this. Here you can put your page link. Here you can put your page link and then add URL. Then you will see only shop page meeting. You can see all filters are here, and it's very detailed filter. If you want to see scrolling behavior, then you can click on this and you can see scrolling option. Here, every user of the website view this section of the page, and if we scroll it, then you can see 80% users scroll this section, and look footer, and 20% user scroll down and of the website. I will see on home page. Okay, so you can see 100% on the top. Red color represent uh, best paid session, and blue color represent low only. And like you can see here are 40% users scroll end of the website. And if you want to see more detail, then you can click on this. You can pause your recording, rewind and play, and also you can identify only clicks. Now we will see this recording.